We're looking at the equation of the tangent line to this curve at 1, negative 1. So we need two pieces of information about this tangent line. One of them is a point on the line, and this point is given for free here. 1, negative 1 is a point on our curve, and the second piece of information is slope. So we'd like to find the slope of this tangent line. So slope can be found by finding the derivative of the curve, and we're going to plug in the given x value for that derivative. So we'd like to find the derivative of this curve at x equals to 1. So we're looking for f prime of 1. So let's go ahead and find the derivative first. So we are looking for f prime of x. Going to use the quotient rule. So 1 minus 2x squared, denominator squared. Now we do the derivative of the numerator, which is 1 times the denominator, 1 minus 2x squared, minus derivative of the denominator. We have derivative of 1 equals to 0, and derivative of negative 2x squared is negative 4x. And this will be multiplied by the numerator. We could go ahead and plug in x equals to 1 at this step, but I will simplify a little bit before I work with this fraction. But once again, you don't have to simplify all the time. If you're plugging in a number, you can just go ahead and put the number in. So here I have 1 minus 2x squared. Negative 4x times x is negative 4x squared, and there's another negative, so that's plus 4x squared. And denominator is 1 minus 2x squared. So I have like terms here. So f prime of x equals 1 plus 2x squared divided by 1 minus 2x squared. So this is my derivative. Now I would like to evaluate f prime of 1. So let's go ahead and plug in 1 into the derivative formula. So here's our formula. 1 plus 2 times 1 divided by 1 minus 2 squared. 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by negative 1 squared is 1. So f prime of 1 is equal to 3. That tells us m is equal to 3. So now we have the slope and the point. We should be able to write the equation of the tangent line. So let's do y equals to mx plus b. Y equals 3x plus b. We want to find the value of b. So x is 1, y is negative 1. And then we get negative 4 equals b. Hence, the equation of the tangent line will be 3x minus 4.